Today, we are joined together to celebrate something truly special, the love between Chinmay and Dhyani. Together, you create something beautiful. It's a love that lifts each other up, a love that strengthens through challenges, that makes everyone around them feel like the warmth of your bond.
My gentle soul, my INFJ. You're introspective, deeply intuitive, emotionally intelligent, and so driven.
You make life feel so easy because you approach everything with such a positive attitude, no matter the situation.
I promise to dream with you, to celebrate with you, and to cry with you. When times are tough, I will always try to see your point of view.
I promise to always protect our relationship so that it can grow and bloom, and to always choose you first. Always. Dhyani, I love you times your infinity, and I can't wait to start this next chapter in our lives together as husband and wife.
Chinmay, I love you. Till infinity times your infinity.
Chinmay, you may kiss your bride. These are the hands of your best friend, young and strong and full of love for you, that are holding yours on your wedding day, as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever. These are the hands that, even when wrinkled and aged, will still be reaching for yours, still giving you the same unspoken tenderness with just a touch.